Namaste, Hare Krishna viewers. Welcome to MK Chastro Vastu once again. So we are with the special sort of discussions today. That is a very special thing that is of Akshaya Tritiya. This is a special thing. It's on all our viewers' request. So as usual, we are with the panel of astrologers. Myself, Jyotisha Vastu Acharya Manjunath here, and along with me, as usual, Hiral Parikji. Hiral Parikji, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Manjunaji. Welcome to all the viewers.
And one of our colleague who is also an astrologer and the spiritual master here himself, like he's the Gautam Narayan Rao. So welcome Gautam ji to the show.
Namaste.
So on this auspicious occasion for Akshaya Tritiya, a lot of requests for our viewers for this brief introduction, or it might be the information for our viewers in our channel. So we can begin this thing with some sort of auspicious prayer of Lord Lakshmi. So it is linked with that.
This is the first line of Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. This was composed by Lord Indra. God. So you can imagine how powerful it is. So I'll recite the first sloka, so you can follow if you're interested. It'll give a lot of abundance. Namaste Shri Mahamaye Shri Piteshwara Pujate Shankh Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namotu.
So thank you, Gautam, for your valuable prayer, because anything, any new beginning should be start with the prayer. As per Guru Parampara, the prayer has given lot of importance in this any system of education, because prayers enlightens the things, whatever, whenever we begin up. So as usual, viewers, we are here with the topic, that is special topic called as Akshaya Tritiya. So, and it is called as Akatrij also. It's a heavy sort of importance. So you might be knowing time has always been a factor of a growth and importance in understanding our destiny. So we, with our great Guru, means in our inner knowledge, try to understand that lights, whatever that light needs to glow and grow the life of every seeker who loves the spiritual world, who loves the astrology and understands it. Correct?
Yes.
Who want to go deeply, that is the main thing. So I try to explain the importance of Akshaya Tritiya, what is it, and whatever gathered information in my knowledge, I'm trying to explore the things for our viewers today. So mainly this Akshaya Tritiya, as of this year, it is falling on 26th of April 2020, somewhere 13:30 for a timing in Bangalore city, which we are residing. So the legend about Akshaya Tritiya is, it is also called as Vaishak. It falls by Vaishaka Shukla Tritiya, as per a Tithi information. So there is a saying, and there is an like something, these thing main important. The beginning of Satya Yuga and Treta Yuga started on this special Akshaya Tritiya day. As you know, in our this we are on the fourth Yuga, that is Kali Yuga. But prior to these yugas, the Satya Yuga and Treta Yuga, one more is the Dwapara Yuga, where the Lord Sri Krishna has took birth. But the beginning of Satya Yuga and Treta Yuga is prior to this, and it's very important one. So Akshaya Tritiya on this auspicious day, that is noted to be started on this day. That is the importance. And the importance of this day, the speciality is that donation, learning, and any new and hard work done on this day will give very good results. That will be an eternal meaning, that is called as Akshaya. Means Akshaya means something to rise. It is called as Ruddhi.
Right.
So this is why this is called as Akshaya Tritiya. On this Tritiya day, whatever Ruddhi happens, whatever done, hard work is done, whatever donation is done, this is all of Ruddhi. And especially if the day falls on Sunday or in a Rohini Nakshatra, then is considered most auspicious. So this year it is very special, because this year it is falling in a Rohini Nakshatra, and it happens to be auspicious already, because people are existing period are more worried in it is with the pandemic, corona and all those things. All people, all world has messed up with the diseases. So we have to give some good news for the viewers. Something is auspicious is going to happen, because we have to boost up our viewers mentality also. Most are down to the present situation. So as you know, this is celebrated as the first day of Satyuga, and that's why it's also called as Yoga Adi Tritiya also. And the procedure is like this: if a person takes a dip in holy water of a Gangas on this day, that person can get rid of all his pap, means the bad deeds.
Oh,
So, and one should donate the various food items, means donation plays very important role. That's why in our astrology also, however is the your donation happens the 12th house, that's so that strong you become, that strong the lagna becomes. Sometimes many people consider 12th house is bad, but it according to me it should not be a bad. Of
right,
how much the donation happens, that much the good deeds should be accumulated. It happens actually.
right.
So coming back, one should donate various food items, as I told, including rice, wheat, salt, sugar, tamarind, fruits, like cloths, and giving especially dakshina to Brahmins, which gives, which acts to be very important thing. So in as per mythology, there are the stories you might be knowing in Mahabharata. The Yudhishthira asked Lord Sri Krishna, what is the importance of this Akshaya Tritiya? Then Sri Krishna said that this tithi is a full in itself. Means you might be knowing in Panchanga, some tithi falls to be half, quarter, likewise. But in Akshaya Tritiya, it falls to be full tithi. On this Akshaya Tritiya, one should take bath in the morning, especially, and then perform yagna, whatever tap, homa, pitru puja, whatever the auspicious things is done to be considered very good thing. And the person who does this all will get the eternal and ever flowing punya, means good deeds throughout his life.
Right.
And Sri Krishna, as a told story like this, it goes like this: there was very poor man who respected devatas and brahmins and has the highest values of a life. He had very large family, because of which he was very much worried and disturbed due to the financial situation. He then heard about this Akshaya Tritiya Rath. So on this day, he took his dip in this holy water of a Ganges in early morning. Then he performed the as usual rituals and puja of all devis and devatas. He donated whatever he had, means in his capacity, including food, rice, wheat, salt, sugar, clothes to the poor and Brahmins. Even though his family was not happy about it, because of his family was complaining, we are only in sorrow. If you're donating, what left to us? But also he continued to perform this puja, rath and donation, ever due to which in his next life he might be whatever that resulted is, he might be king called as Kushavati.
Okay.
All these in deeds in our past life. So with the blessings of God, he become rich, majestic and devoted. So I tell to my viewers, please utilize this day for cleansing your clutter and donate for the needy people. There is no day to accumulate wealth, but one has to accumulate his good deeds, because we only take our good deeds with us when we leave this earth,
Right.
nothing else. So if you don't purchase gold, its price will be not affected, correct?
Yes.
But if you miss any good deeds, then you will certainly miss a lot of things.
Correct.
So one more secret is that if you wish to get million times of results, you do this day only, whatever the vidhi is tell. So this is vidhi. This is a one sort of secret. Viewers can do this one, and viewers who are not. One more thing can be done. If you are unable to donate or do any good deeds, then just viewers can utilize the Abhijita Murta. So in Abhijita Murta, viewers can do like in Abhijita Murta, use the Yoga Mudra and face the north direction for 24 minutes and just sit in a meditation posture. Then your soul becomes lighter and lighter. Means it's all of a purification kind of.
Right.
So this starts to be a very important thing for Akshaya Tritiya day. Viewers who are not unable to buy this gold or silver, don't be worried. Nowadays, even gold shops are also not open as the situation in world. That is the
Yes.
reality. But
Right.
also, it's not up to gold and silver. It's all up to the all the things. So this is my part. Any inputs on this Akshaya Tritiya, Hiralji, on your side?
Yes, sure. You have covered many points, I would like to share some of the other perspectives of this day. So I will share my screen.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So as you rightly said that Akshay Tritiya falls on the Vaishak Shukla Tritiya Tithi, and the Puja Muhurat is from 6:13 in the morning to 12:36 p.m. on 26th April 2020. The Tithi begins on 25th and ends on 26th. As you rightly said, we have the four yugas, Satyuga, which lasted for about 17 lakhs 28,000 years. Then gradually Treta, Dwapar, and Kali Yuga also came. Now the importance of this yuga is such that Treta Yuga was uh, Treta Yuga was created on this particular day itself, that is on the Akshay Tritiya day, and Lord Parshuram was born on this tithi in Treta Yuga, and he is the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He is the only immortal Brahmin having all the knowledge of all magical weaponry training, that is we call as Astra Vidya with him. He has always obeyed his father and loved his mother very much. If we will look into detail, we will know about this, that how much he obeyed his father and he loved his mother. That he even killed his mother at his father's call. Now, this is the day on which many other auspicious things have also been created. That is, the auspicious river Ganga descended on this earth. Kubera was gifted all his wealth by goddess Lakshmi on this day. Son of Lord Brahma, Akshay Kumar, was descended on this day. Sage Ved Vyas began reciting the Hindu epic Mahabharata to Lord Ganesh on this day. Sudama, the poor friend of Lord Krishna, visited him on this day, and Lord Krishna gifted him with all the riches forever in return of the poha, that is the puffed rice offered by Sudama to him. King Yudhishthir received the Akshay Patra, a magical vessel which provides never-ending supply of food. The doors of Badrinarayan, which still exist, Badrinarayan temple, are kept open from this day. Now, what is the conclusion of all these events? What we can conclude is that anyone or anything, that is, anyone means Lord Parshurama or Akshaya, who was Lord Brahma's son, or anything like Mahabharata that comes into existence on this day stays forever. Their brightness, name, fame stays forever in the world. Akshaya itself means which is not perishable, that is without Akshay. Kshay means which is perishable, which can be divided. The word Akshay can't be divided. It can't be perished. So the all the things which are here in this world and are not perished, like Lord Parshurama is still there. He is still into existence. He is immortal. So all these are related to the word Akshaya, and they came into existence on this very day. Now, what is another thing which doesn't get perished? Now, it is believed that the things bought on this day never gets perished. For example, people go to buy gold, silver, as you rightly said, Manjunaji, that nowadays it is not uh, available, but still it is meant that it is being auspicious day. It is considered as an auspicious day to buy gold, silver, property. For any new beginnings like marriage, this is one of the best days of the year. Many communities in India also believe that this is the best day, and they don't even look at the other yogas formed on this day, and they get their children married this day. Now, astrologically speaking, moon is exalted in Taurus on this day, and moon is exalted in Taurus means it is the second house of the Kalpurush Kundli. What does that represent? The second house represents family, resources, cash, silver, property, intake of food, good speech. So all these things are pretty much considered, and it is that is the reason that we go to buy gold, we go to buy a property, or we extend our families in the shape of in the this by marriage and everything. So this is the main reason that all these things are covered on this day, and we go to buy all these things. This is a picture of Akshay Tritiya and the gold thing. Now this day is not only meant for buying gold or jewelry or property, etc. This whole month is very important with respect to cooling our body. If moon is exalted, then sun is also exalted in Aries on this very day, and sun will be present in the Aries sign for the whole month. It is exalted in the first house of the Kal Purush Kundli, thereby creating a lot of heat. So it becomes very important for us to have substances which will cool our body. Vaishak, the month of Vaishak is one of the hottest months of the whole year. So it is important to cool our body. Now sun becomes the fifth lord also as per Kal Purush Kundli. So mantra chanting becomes very important in this month. So one should chant mantra, whatever mantra they take, they can chant. Now, related to communities, there are certain things which I would like to discuss. Now, in Vaishnav community, the auspicious Govardhan Hill, we all know about the Govardhan Hill, which was taken up by Lord Krishna on his little finger, was established on this day. That is, the Sthapna of the Govardhan temple was done on this day. Here is the Govardhan Hill, and Lord Krishna is carrying it on his little finger. As we know that heat is at maximum peak on from this day, the clothes of God, the decoration of the temples are done in such a way that it gives cooling effects to the God. That is by using sandalwood, flower water like the gulab jal, etc. Even the naivedya which is offered to the God is designed to give cooling effects, and it is served in earthen vessels. See, these are the earthen vessels which are being used to serve food. We can also use it and we can make ourselves cooler. We can use cardamom, raw mango juice, that is amka panna, we say. We can use such things to cool ourselves. So religion is, we can see religion is connected to all astrology also, and the festival also. This is the picture of a temple on, and this is a special decoration done on Akshay Tritiya. We can see here it is a fountain to cool the environment of the temple and cool our God. And this in our language,
Can you little bit zoom for our viewers so that it might be more visible?
I think I won't be able to.
It can try for
Can take a screenshot and they can
yes.
just enhance. And
Yeah.
there is another picture also. I'll show into it. This is known as the khas bungalow. Special things which is very, it gives a lot of cooling effects. So these are being offered to the God for about a month or 2 months till the time rainy season comes in. See, this is another pic. Here you can see it quite clearly. So this is also prepared with the khas, and God is offered lot of flowers and everything so that he stays cool. So what we have to learn from this is we also have to cool ourselves. We have to consume those things which will cool us, which will purify us. Now, not only in Vaishnav community, in Jain community also this has got a very prominence in their community. People fast for about a year. They know called it as Varshi Tapa. Varshi Tapa simply means a tapa penance for 1 month, 1 year. Varshi Tapa, and they break their fast on this day with sugarcane juice. Now, why sugarcane juice? Sugarcane juice is a good source of instant energy. Also, it gives cooling effects also to the body. So here is a picture of having sugarcane juice, and there are a lot of functions in this community on this day itself. So this is how we can relate the importance of this festival with science and with religion. This tithi relates to forever existence of ourself, our wealth, our resources, and most important, the blessings received from our parents and the Brahmins. So this was a small presentation from myself. I hope you and the viewers would have liked it. So
Yes,
I
Nihalji, very nice presentation from your end. So it's all of a discussions regarding Akshaya Tritiya, and do you want to add any more inputs on this, Gautamji?
Most other things are covered. Thank you. It was great to know the many things, not only from the one part of the India. There are a lot of rituals connected from
yes,
Jains and other Vaishnava communities. So here, what we have to observe here is both sun and moon is exalted in Vasanta Rutu, where nature is celebrating with abundance. Okay, and there is a time where everything will come to rejuvenation. Right, everything is blooming. So that is when its nature celebrates. And when we call exaltation, when sun is a divine father, moon is a divine mother. They are exalted, they will be on Ratha. There is this one day where these two planets will be sitting on Ratha and giving boons. That is Lakshmi Narayan, Sriman Narayan, okay, and Lakshmi. So that is how it is connected to the abundance. So abundance means the seeking abundance as well as giving abundance. We can see both. So how it can be evaluated? The purusharthas of uh, a purusha is human is dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Right? Everybody is standing on that. This is the fundamental, uh, fundamental goal
Principle
of
of
everybody's life.
yes,
Okay?
yes.
So they can assess it what they want. They want dharma, artha, kama, or moksha. So even if it is kamika, also not a problem. It is not a sin. So if somebody is accumulating wealth, if they want something to accumulate, they can start with, because only after the kama moksha can happen.
right.
Everything is interconnected, and without performing dharma, okay, artha cannot come. Everybody should be on their own dharma. So this is the right time. You have to assess what you want in your life and start attaining it. When you start something, like Hirilji and Manjunathji said, when you start something with full heartedness and abundance, okay, and definitely it is promised. Maybe there are many yogas is not there in chart that can activate.
Right. Right.
So this is the special day wherein even Basavanaji also is born on the same day, like Parashurama. So he has given an immense, revolutionary personality. He has given new dimension to the dharma. Even Gandhiji, followed his principles. Like that. See, anything you want to start something new, then you can start. This is
And
what
I
it
want
is.
to add one more point on here. So as you rightly said, it is a Janma Jayanti of Lord Mahatma Basaveshwarji, who is a 12th century. He is a minister in Bijala community. Means Bijala is a king in that kingdom. He was a minister, but he created many teachings and preachings with the Guru's knowledge. He has prepared up Vachana Sahitya, and he made a concept called as Anubhava Mantapa. Means it is called as a older, like whatever parliament is existing as of now in a central ministry. Likewise, he had made a parliament in those days in 12th century. So this was recognized and quoted by our honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji also. In some of his speech in London, he has given this one. He has remembered this thing. So he has took birth. We in South Indians, in Lingayat system of this one tradition, we celebrate the Jayanti, means the birth anniversary of Lord Mahatma Basaveshwar ji also.
Mm.
In Mumbai also some area is there. There is a trust. Whenever we and myself and Gautamji has visited, we found to be in some area, some Tilak Nagar or something. Might
Yes.
be Gautamji has remembered like that. So we can continue with the topic. I just added that note.
Basaveshwara is not only restricted to Karnataka. You can
Correct.
see the statue in London also, for your information.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So that like this, what we can see here is this knowledge and this Muhurta has its own effects on this day over the ages. It can be Treta Yuga, it can be Dwapara Yuga. So all the yugas we have seen. It can be seen in the recent past also, right? So
Right.
this is applicable to today's world also, as well, especially the times wherein the world is suffering. So the simplest thing what we can do is we can connect to the Almighty. Okay? We
Right.
can seek the abundance, whatever is stopped, whatever is choked, whatever is bonded. Let this, you know, the lockdown can end, and people can be as happy as earlier, and they can perform their own duties and attain whatever they want. And
Right.
that is what we can pray. This is the simplest thing we can do. Other things are covered by, Manjunath ji and Hiral ji. So be happy and abundant and give something which is possible to needy and feel the fullness. Okay, complete. Purnatva is what is important of Akshaya. Akshaya means, yeah, not Kshaya, as Hiral ji said. Kshaya means it is it finishes. Okay, it is over. Akshaya means Akshaya. I means it is not at all over. It can, as you give, it will, you can, you can gain more. So that it can help others also if your conditions is supportive, or you can spread knowledge, you can accumulate good things. It's all
Yes.
about the fullness. Okay? That's
Yes.
where the full moon day and okay, for the moon is exalted and sun is exalted. Okay, they are giving in abundance, who are, and we have to experience. That's
Yes.
all about the experience.
Correct. Very nicely said, Gautam ji. So it's my humble request to all the viewers that please, you can't go out, we can understand, but you can still celebrate sitting at home. Please wear either yellow or either green color clothes. Pray to Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi in your own way, in your smallest way. Praying doesn't need any flowers. It doesn't need any much, things. You can just sit and chant a mantra of Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, and it will really fructify. Please pray for your parents, touch their feet if they are with you, and see the magic of all the powers of all the blessings that they give, and God will sure be happy with you.
So it's all nice inputs from both of you, Hiral ji and Gautam ji. So I think like our viewers are access to all this knowledge, and I request all the viewers to perform these things more than getting the knowledge. Request to perform all the things whatever we have mentioned. It's not like what we have mentioned. It's all of a piece of information we have fetched to various resources and accumulated and presented here in this video. So I request viewers to keep stay tuned with our channel. We are with the all lot of series. Recently, we have done with the COVID-19 series, and somewhere some Ayurveda sort of videos also. So in special occasions like this Akshaya Tritiya and whatever special day, we are always tend to cover the things. And viewers are always welcome to represent their comments also, like to do this video on this special like this examples. So I thank viewers for completely watching this video. Like our channel, subscribe and click on the bell button to receive all day-to-day updates about our videos. So namaste viewers. Hare Krishna. Welcome.
Namaste. Hare